That's going to change to 5, and then we're away for the crown race of the day here at the Ashworth Muskie Also Park International 2022. 5 second warning up. And the gate is going to drop any second now. There we go. Clean start by the looks of things. Into the wooded area they go. Darren, you should be able to pick them up any second now.
We can't be sure it's a hit. It's a gate in the front end. Only looking fast this morning. And what an absolute pleasure watching the country like 7 there is 41. Looking behind them to the back. And behind them away already through. Running up to the top and they come through the pushback now. Already coming. Oh, they're getting filled in that right centre. Roof's going to be a thing as well here.